Well, what are we fixing today? Well, today, I'm not fixing anything. I'm getting some tools to fix things. My tax return came in, so I had a couple of bucks. I bought this. I haven't opened it yet, so let's open it together. This is a 110 volt soldering station. It does SMD with the little air blower, and it does a wand, and it has a bunch of stuff and some readings, and this is going to be really cool. I need something to open this with. I've been waiting to open this. Today is the day. More tape. I got this from Amazon. I've got the screen up there now. You can see it's a, whatever that word is, starting with a T, 110 volt soldering station, 2-in-1 digital display, SMD hot air rework station, and soldering iron, 12 tips, solder, wire, tweezers, pump, goes to 700 degrees, or 700 watts, 480 degrees, which is plenty. Let's see what's all in here. Oh, I need a translator. Somebody give me a translator? It's instructions. Hot air gun, Benzod fever, pure original parts. That's awesome. Let me show you over here. Probably see better. Hot air gun, Benzol fever, and there it is in Chinese. All right, let's see what's in it. Ooh, spare element. That's cool. Pure original parts. Maybe I gotta put it together. There is tips. Here is tools. I know I'm not supposed to touch my face, but I know it's like this. Here is for the mistakes. Solder stopper. I don't know what that is. We're gonna do it for now. Here's cord. We can do cord. Why are you hiding a minute? Alright, what do we got next? Let's look at this. This is, I don't know, like a temperature sensor spare part maybe. I hope it's not that I have to assemble this thing. That would be not awesome. Here is a regular soldering thingy. Oh, and an awesome little tiny tip. Maybe. Oh, here's a stand with some. Ooh. It's Shrinky Dink sponge. Shrinky Dink sponge. Look down in there. This is like a waste piece of metal down there from something else. It's awesome. I love it. I love recycled stuff. Here's some solder. Made in China. I don't know if it's lead or not. I usually use lead, so that's what I'm used to. Here is, I don't know, some things. Here is a thing. Here's a thing. There is a lot of assembly, I'm afraid. Here's a tip for the blower. Here's some more tips for the blower. Here is the blower. Okay. That feels pretty good in the hand. Like that. This looks like more, oh, tweezers, 2 tweezers. Okay, straight and crooked tweezers. That's good. We got cardboard. Hope I don't need that for anything. And then we got this. It should be the brains of the operation. SMD rework soldering. Temperatures up to 480 or up to level 8. Alright. Do some plugging. The main reason I'm buying this is, other than I wanted something that could do surface mount, is that I had 2 Wellers that I got on surplus like years and years ago, and well, I got 3, but 2 of the 3, the heater failed just recently. I guess they expired in age, I don't know. And I want to check on prices for the heater, and the prices were like $25 for the heater, for a Weller heater. And this thing, if I remember right, it cost me like less than $40. And I'm like, I could buy 2 heaters, or I could get everything I wanted. So, and you know what? My motto is I always buy cheap tools. And I don't use anything that much that I need expensive tools. Once in a while, but you know. So this, well, that goes there. So let's do that. Let's go there with that. All right, 1, 2. Goes there. I'm sure this goes like that. Power. All right, so the back, the switch on the back, power switch on the back here. It was, that does turn it off. I'll turn it on. SMD. Blowing. Very warm air. So this one's air speed. This is temperature. It's getting red. See it? You can see it's red. 450. That is hot. I'm going to show you this way. So, air temperature is going down. Okay, so to take it off, cranks up. Back on, the heater turns off, and the blower stays on. Nice, huh? Oh, switches off. Let's say there's a point where the blower shuts off. So, goes below 100 digits, and the switch turns off, and the fan turns off. Very nice, very nice. Let's do this. This is the plastic cover. Turn this side on. That's safe now. Turn this side on. Light comes on. And if it's set to 350, maybe you can see better here. So temperature cycling. So if I turn it up, like 450, light comes on. So apparently this doesn't have a readback to show the display of what the temperature is. I can live with that. Let's go until it starts cycling again. And it's heavy. There we go. Pink, alright. The solder. Or heat cupping. I could never ever before in my life adjust the heat on an iron. This is awesome. This is working fine. Long term, who knows, but for, you know, less than $40, long term, who cares? That's what I say. Soldered it up pretty decent. Or a little bitty, what a little bitty tiny tip it is. This set comes with all these tips, chisels and big fat ones and all kinds of things in here. I'll probably never run out of tips. It comes with 3 blower nozzles, 3 different sizes. I'll do 3. It comes with a, I don't know what it is thing. We'll have to look that one up. 2 pair of tweezers, spare temperature probe, and a spare, I don't want to handle it, a spare heater module, probably for the blower, right? So there's that. This can go in there with it. I'll have those for future difficulties. Also comes with a set of picky tools. So that goes like this. Yep, goes like this. And then this does that. Neat, huh? Alright. So there it is in the picture. Okay. So I'm supposed to screw the spring onto that. And it's is that the whole things? Alright, so this is what it says in the picture. Like that. And then tighten the screw. This must be a tool. This must be a tool to like hold things down when they're hot. Very little mass, has a little spring. I bet you that's what that is. Let's read a little more online. IC puller? So they're saying that this is a IC puller. Stick it in underneath the IC and what? I could see that. Especially if it's hot, right? IC puller. Well, that's a new one on me. But this whole thing is pretty awesome. Anyway, that's my video for today. If this helped in your buying decisions or anything, hope you give me a like. Appreciate it. Subscriptions are always welcome. And you can take a look at my other videos and future videos where I'll be using these things to do my fixing stuff. So that's all for now. Till next time, thank you. Bye.